Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everybody. It's a wonderful evening, and I'm really honored to be with you all on this occasion. And I'm thankful to the members of the Brands Academy for choosing me as a chief guest of a prestigious Brand Academy Excellence Awards. I congratulate all the winners who are all getting the awards today. It's one of the important days in our life because every achievement is a step. Step by step, we start a little step and it leads to a long journey to achieve something that is the meaningful life. I think it is a great experience for us, starting from the scratch and becoming big. The brand, it creates what you are today. That is the role the Brands Academy is playing a very important and vital role today. For the small entrepreneurs also, they wanted to give a support, a long support, to become the brands where the younger generation who is looking upon for a job factor or the facility of the jobs, and it is a hope. Our country, it is leading because of you. The economy is developing because of you all. You are the stars today. I congratulate you all. Without you, I don't think so we can complete the economy of the growth of the economy to lead, to compete with the other countries. I feel that we feel proud of you all. And today, I think the men, women are the same. The women is also competing with the men. Dr. Saab, he was speaking in his speeches. One of his speeches I heard that women have a lot of wiring capacity so that they can store it. Acha sir. Tarunji. Okay. Tarunji, you're very inspiring. Actually, you're very, very inspiring. I feel that being a lady, member of parliament is the secondary, but being first, that is I'm lady and I'm proud of it. And so many ladies are here and they are achieved something and then excelled to the position of today to receive the awards. So I feel the same way, I think the similar role, the importance of the men also the same way. I think it is interdependent to each other. It complement to each other. All the sectors, like today, I congratulate the awards today they are giving, and the Brands Academy, what they are playing the role, or they are identifying, they are researching the people, they are sending all over the places who are the best and who are the leading industries, right from the healthcare, right from the IT, right from the telecom, right from the infrastructure, right from education, food, everything is involved. So today, I feel proud. The Prime Minister, our Prime Minister, he has mentioned his speeches that we don't want made in India, we want make in India. It should be made. Everything should be made here and then go away to the other countries and distribute. I feel proud of him. So that is the inspiration what we have to look into, and I feel that because of the credibility of the different the industries what you're developing, that is the job, that is the economy, it is giving the most strengthening to our country. So I'm really thankful. I belong to a different industry, but still I am also within the country where the economy is more to give to the government. So I feel proud of this, and I'm really today a great feeling that such a economist gathering today, it is there. It is enhancing, it is boosting our energy to give today I have seen all the list, the winners. I feel so proud of you all. I congratulate once you, and I congratulate even the Brands Academy giving a contribution to this country, to this society. It is a great job where they are identifying the small entrepreneurs to grow to a big. Thank you so much once again.
How wonderfully spoken, the gracious walk. I guess it says it all about you, ma'am. You're a brand on your own. A warm welcome to this fabulous evening. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge heartfelt round of applause going out for this lady who's filling the room with so much of radiance? I can actually feel you here, ma'am.